Good morning. So this is a suspend charge and also a second count of no insurance, no proof of insurance. Does she stay in the way formal reading?
Yes.
Not guilty, please. $500 personal bond. Ma'am, you cannot leave the state, cannot violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. You got to make sure you show up. You didn't show up before. We're going to give you a pretrial date. Will that be on May 21, Heather?
We could do that one then. Do you want to do that at 8:45?
Is this the one? Oh, that's the date of the jury trial, though, isn't it?
Well, that's what we could do that, or we still have opening time on May 7th. We have
Let's do-
10:15.
She's going to clear her license. I'm going to give her
Oh,
3
she does?
weeks. You
Okay.
show up at 8:30 in the morning, no later, okay? 8:30 in the morning, May 21. If you want a court-appointed lawyer going forward, you're going to have to fill out a petition for one, okay? All right, so go down the hall, get your notice, fill out a petition if you want a lawyer. I wish you well. Good luck. Any questions?
No, ma'am.
All right, you're all set.
Thank you, Judge.
Mosgrove, Jalen Thomas Mosgrove.
Good morning, guys. Did you call a case?
I'm sorry, 25F25180004. Everybody's name?
Deanna TOE 82378 on behalf of Mr. Mosgrove.
Your name?
Jalen Mosgrove.
Says victim was subpoenaed and failed to appear. People are unable to proceed and move finale process.
Objection.
Yeah, I'll go ahead and dismiss it. You're going to take out the bond conditions. The law is changing tomorrow on these 10% bonds, but it is tomorrow. So by law, we can 10% still, and you will be returned the balance, which would be $270. Okay, but we will dismiss it. Bond conditions, take them out of lien, Heather, and go down the hall. Is that bond in your name?
I believe it's in my sister.
All right, well then your sister will have to go down and deal with the bond. Is that your sister?
We're showing it's in his name.
What's that?
We're showing it's in his name. I'm not
It's in
showing
your
a third
name.
party.
You can go down and deal with them on the, okay?
Okay.
Best of luck. Thank you.
Thank you.
Aaron Kathleen Brockway. 20F233-936A.
Deanna TOE 82378 on behalf of Ms. Erin Brown.
Ma'am, your name?
Erin Brockway.
So she's going to plead to no ops. They're going to dismiss the original charge of driving on a suspended. True?
Yes, sir.
Is that what you want to do, ma'am?
Could you repeat what the charges I'm gonna have now?
If you plead guilty to no valid operator's license on person, which amounts to you not showing it, it is punishable by up to $100 fines, 90 days jail, costs, or all those. If you plead to that, I'm dismissing the driving on a suspended. Do you understand that?
Yes.
You agree to that? Yes?
Yes,
Did you sign an advice of rights form today and read it and understand it?
I did.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and we're not going to have a trial of any kind. Do you understand that?
I do.
To the charge no valid operator's license on person, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Were you operating a motor vehicle on September 15 of 20 in the city of Flat Rock, County of Wayne on Arsenal near Rock Ridge Court?
Yes.
Was your license, did you fail to display a license? Did you fail to provide a valid license or
Yes.
show them a valid license? Correct?
Yes, I did.
You were revoked, right?
I was.
Are you on probation or parole?
No.
Why are you driving on revoked? It's not good. It's a lot worse than suspended. This isn't, you had a drunk driving. You got to stop doing this, man. Don't do this again and come in front of me. You got it?
Yeah.
I hope so, because I will not be near as nice as I'm going to be now if you do. Go ahead.
I appreciate it. So, Your Honor, as to the fines and costs, I'm not sure how much they would be, but she does have a $600 bond available for that. She is employed, Your Honor, so I would just ask that the court allow her to apply that bond. Thank you, Judge.
I'm not sure I understand why why you're driving on revoked. You had 2 drunk drivings, ma'am. Anything you'd like to say?
Only that I'm very sorry. It was a mistake and I shouldn't have been driving.
100 fines, 315 costs, 75 victims' rights, $50 justice assessment, 540 or 90 days. Go down the hall, sign over the bond. We keep 10% of the bond by law, and that'll cover your fines.
Okay.
Do not drive on a revoked and come back in front of me, okay? I don't like those. Good luck.
Yeah,
Anthony Wayne Thompson,
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
26F245-923. Is he yours, Miss Patil?
No, Your Honor.
Come on up here, sir.
Yes. Oh, me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Your name?
Anthony Wayne Thompson, no?
You're charged with possession of drug paraphernalia. You have the right to a lawyer. Do you want a lawyer?
I'll touch it.
You wait,
I'd like to talk to the prosecutor.
you wait, okay, but you waive your right to a lawyer?
Yes, sir.
I'll go ahead and arraign you and then I'll send you there, okay?
Okay, I appreciate that.
It is alleged that you had possession of drug paraphernalia on March 19 of 26 on East Hawthorne Boulevard near Arsenal Road in the city of Flat Rock. They think you had drug paraphernalia found in your right pocket of the jeans straw with white powdery substance suspected to be cocaine. That's what they're saying.
It was that. You should.
You shouldn't be,
Good.
you shouldn't be talking against your interests.
I'm sorry.
Okay. So let me just finish. That is the charge. It's punishable by up to 500 fines, 90 days jail, costs, or all those. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
And did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights?
Yes, I
You
did.
plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and we're not going to have a hearing or a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir, Your
All
Honor.
right. You still wish to waive your right to a lawyer?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
I'll enter not guilty plea, $1,000 personal bond. You cannot leave the state without consent. You cannot violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. No alcohol, no marijuana, no illegal drugs. And you are all set. You can go down and speak to the prosecutor. I'll
Will I
get,
be coming back in front of you?
you will, either way, whether you resolve it or not, okay? Thank you.
Thank you.
People against,
Your Honor.
right outside into the hallway there, and you can sit right on the first pew, to your right.
Okay, thank you,
All
Your Honor.
right, you're welcome. Chelsea Lynn Tedora, 26F246-152B. Well, are you Chelsea Tedora?
What?
Are you her? Come on up. Mr. Cayley, come here. Take this from my court recorder. This gentleman I just sent out there, Mr. Thompson, you can call in. Ma'am, your name?
Chelsea Linsler.
Where's Mr. Mays? Is he here yet, counsel? Mr. Cayley?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Mays here yet?
I don't see him.
He's supposed to be here at 11, right?
Yes.
Call him, Heather. Tell Mr. Mays better get here. I'm not keeping my staff through lunch.
I believe
ahead.
John had Miss Teasdale just try to call him and he did not answer.
You know, I'm telling you, I'm just an overpaid babysitter most of the time. You know that? And then, okay. You're charged with driving on with license expired. You have the right to a lawyer. If you want one, I'll give you one. Otherwise, I'll arraign you and send you to the prosecutor to talk to the prosecutor, who will be fair with you. You waive your right to a lawyer?
Yeah.
Okay, so they think that on April 16 of 26 that you did operate a motor vehicle with an expired license. That is a misdemeanor, punishable. Up to 100 fines, 90 days jail, costs, or all those. Do you understand that? Did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights?
Yes.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights and there will be no hearing or trial. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
All right. You have the right to a lawyer. Do you still wish to waive your right to a lawyer?
Yes.
I'll enter not guilty plea, $100 personal bond. You cannot leave the state, cannot violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. Do you understand that? So I'll send you over to speak to the prosecutor. My court officer will bring this file over. You go sit right out in the hallway, and as soon as he gets a minute, he's going to speak to you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Everts. Derek Stephen Everts, 26R514-624 A and D. Mr. Everts, come on up here, sir. State your name.
Derek Stephen Everts.
I already arraigned you, right?
Yes.
Did I arraign you today?
Yes.
And then I sent you to the prosecutor. Okay, you want 4 weeks?
Yes, sir.
I'll go ahead and do that for you. But you can't be asking me for another one, okay?
Okay.
Heather, we don't have one in 4 weeks on May 28th, right? With
4
Flat
weeks
Rock?
puts us to May 21st, or wait, no.
Oh,
why
this
do
is
we-
Rockwood. This is Rockwood.
Oh, wait, Rockwell, hold on. Let me take a look at the calendar here and see what we've got. Oh, why am I doing oh goodness, I got myself all screwed up. That would be the 28th. I'm giving the wrong day, Judge. I apologize. The
That's okay.
28th, we do.
We
Yes,
do.
we do.
May 28th at 8:30, okay? And if you want a court appointed, if you decide you want one, you're gonna have to fill out a petition for one, okay?
Yes.
All right, I wish you well. Go down the hall, get your notice, and we'll see you back here then. Thank you.
Thank you.
Carlton, Cheryl Yvonne Carlton, 26R260085.
Morning, Your Honor. Yeah, I'm together 82378 on behalf of Ms. Carlton.
Ma'am, come on up here and state your name, please.
Revoked Carlton.
All right, let's see. I can give you a week. You gotta go get the records, right?
Yes.
So does she need 3 weeks or 1 week? Can she get them in the next couple days?
I think the prosecutor is gonna get them, I believe.
Then it says defendant requests 2-week adjournment to obtain updated attendance record. Prosecutor concurs and requests 2-week adjournment. I don't have a problem with that. I'll make it May 21. How's that? Or wait a minute, Mr. Pellins, your name,
James Cullen on behalf of the city of Rockland.
you are here in 2 weeks, aren't you?
I should be, yes.
Yes.
Sure, in 2 weeks.
So I'm gonna adjourn it to May the 14th, Heather, at 8:30.
I'm not available that day, Judge.
Well, aren't you on a new location, I think?
I'm on rotation for Wednesdays
Yes, starting in May, they all changed their rotations. We have all new
So she's gonna
attorneys.
have to have a new lawyer anyway. You follow me?
I do. I think she would. Are you okay with that?
Well, she might prefer it, but he's not here on
Wednesday.
Wednesdays. Right? You're only here every other Thursday, right?
I can do the 21st, but I can do it late morning, maybe 11.
No, May 14th.
Oh, yeah, I'm not available.
I can't accommodate her. I'm sorry, because he's only here on Thursdays. And if you're not on our rotation on Thursdays,
Did you get your new attorney for it? We're just trying to check and get.
no, I know. We're gonna get her another lawyer. We'll get her another lawyer, Heather, okay?
Okay, Judge.
And that's what we'll do. We'll make it May the 14th at 8:30, ma'am, okay? All right. Thank you. Kirk. Thanks. Leah Kirk. Leah Marie Kirk. 26F245713B. Is she not here?
She's on Zoom, Your Honor. She lives in.
Nicholas Bressler, 23F239-277A and B. Sorry about that. You've got it the wrong file, but of course, I don't know if I should have to be apologizing to you. Where have you been for 3 years?
Didn't know that there was any court or all that stuff, and I called and asked the clerks here. They said that everything that was sent to me was sent back to them. I never received anything. I didn't know there was a warrant. I just want to get this rectified as.
They gave you the ticket.
What's that?
They handed you the ticket
One, they gave me a ticket.
on January 24th of 23. Wasn't that a clue to you? It said to show up here.
Come
on.
They said they would contact me, we were gonna be,
Don't play this game with me. You're charged with driving on a suspended and improper plate. You have the right to a lawyer. If you want one, I'll give you one. Do you want a lawyer?
yes,
Go out in the hallway. They'll give you a lawyer, okay? Thank you. Call in the prosecutor here. Mr. Caleb,
I feel like you might have my copy.
how would you be so inclined to know that, Mr. Mays?
I'll get him.
Yeah,
where's the law?
this guy needs a lawyer.
Who's this guy?
People against Lauren Rose Louise Teasdale, 25F245343. You're not shocked I'm calling out here, are you, Mr. Gaten? Your name? Name's your name?
Pays on behalf of Ms. Teasdale, Ms. Teasdale, state your name.
All right, so I read the motions here. So you're reducing this to drag race,
Correct.
and you're doing that, why?
First of all, Judge, she attempted to pass the car twice, trying to speed around it. We have a PDT of .067, and considering
Well, no, I'm just asking why you're reducing it from drunk driving or impaired to drag racing. That's
I believe there's a very
proof problem.
correct.
Because he made a good argument on the HGN test, right? And the officer, and he's claiming in his motion that the officer made statements that indicate that he didn't believe that she was very intoxicated, right?
Correct.
And she only had an 067 on the PBT, right?
Right.
And then he did the blood draw did indicate that she had some amphetamines in her system, but there was no evidence of that, at least at the time of the stop, right?
Correct. And it's a,
So the whole issue here was whether or not probable cause exists for him to arrest and give her the blood draw. And his position was no. He wrote a good brief, Mr. Mays. And I read it all, 40 pages, I think, between the brief and here, I read yours. So anyway, I just want to be sure that's why you're doing this. It's not, there's nothing underhanded here, right? Drag racing, remind me, I don't get many drag racing. Is that 6 points and a loss of license or just?
4, no loss of license, $100 fine.
All right, ma'am, do you understand that? If you plead the drag racing, so unless you want to say something else, you're good to go.
no, Judge.
So you're all set. Ma'am, if you plead the drag racing, this is it's 4 points. And it's punishable by up to $100 fines, 90 days jail, costs, or all those. Do you understand that? Did you sign an advice of rights and read and understand the rights? If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights and there will not be a hearing or a trial. Do you understand that? All right. To the charge of drag racing, how do you plead?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to let you voir dire her. The blood draw was 0.08 for the record,
Yeah.
but the PBT and the other statements, I get this one. Were you operating a motor vehicle on Telegraph near Deer Creek and Flat Rock, December 10 of 25? And you did drink alcohol prior to that, what, correct? And you were under a prescription, you had an amphetamine prescription, correct? And what else did you do wrong in the operation of the vehicle? I'm going to let you ask those questions.
Yeah, I think if you have to go.
Go ahead.
In the vehicle.
Trying to get home, it was my birthday, just had picked up dinner, and I was on my way home, and I just took a rush.
Well, how fast
Well,
was
it's an accident. And you admitted at the time that it was completely your fault that the accident occurred. And there was actually a second accident, long after the initial accident, a third car came along and hit them both. So that was fun.
I understand.
Yeah.
So you were driving in excess of the speed limit. All right. So where are we getting for the factual basis from
The
the,
actual basis is for the
But-
impaired.
right. So ma'am, you still think in some respects, and I get the fact that the prosecutor has taken the position he is, that your ability to operate the motor vehicle was impaired because of the consumption of the alcohol and the amphetamines, and your driving pattern was therefore as a result of those ingestion of the alcohol and drugs, correct? And you think that's what caused the accident? And are you on probation or parole right now? Anybody force you to plead guilty? Please accept it. I'm going to go ahead and dismiss the OWI. I'm still going to refer for a screening and assessment, Mr. Mays, and we'll give you a date. And that takes care of this 21st of May jury trial, Heather. So unless I have another one scheduled. So what date do you want to give me? You want to still do May 21 in the morning?
Mr. Vance, I asked that it be put on the docket today. He's got an arraignment, and I was gonna have him arraigned, but he didn't get the message and called me at 11:15 today and said, "Oh, Mr. Mays, I just now got that." I'm so
Who's
sorry."
that?
Another client of mine.
Oh, that was supposed to be here today?
Yeah, he was gonna be arraigned.
It was a felony arraignment, Judge.
Wait, slow down, Heather. I didn't hear you.
It was a felony arraignment that we had set for today, and that's what Detective Rumbez has been sitting out here waiting for.
I mean,
That's for Vance.
well, I don't care if you want to reschedule it, but he's going to have the warrant effect until he appears.
Right, so yeah, the 21st works. Let's do sentencing on that day,
Judge-
that's good.
It ain't, what?
Okay, I'm sorry. That's fine. We can do the 21st.
Well, I'm not having the jury trial anymore, right?
Right, no, you're not. You're good.
I mean, it's not, it was only scheduled on this case, right?
Correct.
So we'll just do it May 21 at 8:30, and I'll get you out of here at 8:40 if you're here at 8:30. And then you better get your other client in here.
Yeah,
Why didn't he show up here?
he didn't know. He didn't know until the last minute. So that's my fault.
Why did I write April 14th demand exam? Is there a reason I did that? I haven't arraigned this guy, right? Ever? Right, Heather? Why did I do that?
I do not believe so because I pulled
Didn't,
him
I
from
get it.
warrants. I
So
believe.
I'm just gonna send the file back down,
Yeah.
but he does have the warrants, so you might want to get him in here quick.
Thank you.
Okay, anything else?
No.
Have a good day. Ma'am, you're gonna go down the hall and get your notice and then over to probation where you'll fill out a questionnaire and be interviewed, okay? Best of luck, thanks. Anthony Wayne Thompson,
Yes, sir.
26F245923.
Yes, sir.
All right, your name again?
My name is Anthony Wayne Thompson.
You met with the prosecutor and you're going to now plead to possession of drug paraphernalia, true?
It was in my possession.
Okay, are you gonna plead guilty to that,
Yes,
right?
sir.
If you do that, the possible penalties are up to 500 fines, 90 days jail, costs are all those. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And again, you did sign, read, and understand the advice of rights.
Yes, sir.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and we're not gonna have a hearing or a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
To the charge possession of drug paraphernalia, how do you plead? Oh, by the way, I have to remind you again, you have the right to a lawyer again. If you want one, I'll give you one now.
No, sir. No, sir.
You waive it?
Yes, sir.
To the charge possession of drug paraphernalia, how do you plead?
It was in my possession, and I'll plead guilty.
Were you on East Hawthorne Boulevard near Arsenal in Flat Rock, March 19 to 26 at 8:23 p.m.?
Yes, sir.
Were you in possession of drug paraphernalia?
It's in my possession, yes, sir.
And what kind of drug paraphernalia? It was straw residue,
I
right?
believe they said it was a straw, and they said it had cocaine residue.
And you had used that for that purpose, is that correct?
It was in my possession.
Yeah, where was it in your possession?
It was in a hoodie and it wasn't in my pants. I don't know what's in my, it was in my hoodie.
That's fine,
It was in the hood.
but you put it there, right?
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
No, sir.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No, sir.
I'll accept your plea. Mr. Thompson, how old are you?
I've been sober, Your Honor, for 14 years.
Well, then what were you walking around with drugs and drug paraphernalia and powder residue up there?
It was in my possession, and I can't deny that. So I'm pleading guilty to being in my possession.
Hang on, boy, this is quite a record.
Oh,
How much time did you spend in prison?
Your Honor, back in my wilder days, probably about 3.5 years, 4 years.
Boy, you got a lot of retail frauds.
Boy, yes, sir, I sure do, Your Honor, and I ain't gonna be proud of that, but I look at it this way, Your Honor, that's my past.
Well, it's not that far past.
Well, hey,
We pay for our
I'm
sins.
right today. I'm doing good today.
What do you do for a living?
Right now, I'm retired.
From where?
Pardon? Well, I pay Social Security disability. Disability.
This record's horrible.
Oh, yes, sir. It's not a pretty record. I ain't proud of it.
Are you married?
My wife just died last month.
I'm sorry.
That's-
Do you have any kids?
Pardon?
Kids?
I have 3 sons and 4 grandchildren.
Well, good for you. Stop fiddling around with this. Prosecutor's just recommending payment of fines and costs. He's a lot nicer than I would have been.
Well, I think sometimes things just fall the way they're supposed to, the way it should. I just want a lawsuit and settlement. My lawyers mailed me the settlement agreement paper. I had it notarized and sent it back. That's YTH Law Firm in Detroit. And I'm gonna be getting a check. He said it could be like a month. But as soon as I get that check, I'll tell them, I'll give you whatever y'all, I'll pay, if you give me a little bit of time, I'll pay it all off. But, I do draw Social Security disability. Bills are kind of tight, especially since my wife passed away.
You seem like a nice man.
Well, I'll tell you what.
I hope you stay away from this stuff. That's bad for you.
I've
300
been in
fines.
school hard enough, and every time it's been because I've knocked my own head against the wall, and I've never blamed anybody for anything I've done in my life. But I know one thing, I'm sober today, and it's been many years. Was that in my possession? Yes, sir.
300 fines, 100 costs, 75 victims' rights, $50 justice assessment, 5.25 or 90 days. You pay by June 15th. Good enough?
Yeah, I'll be done in 3 to 4 days.
If you don't have the money when you on June 15th somehow, just call the clerk. We'll go on Zoom. I'll give you an extension, or you can come up here and talk to me on or before the due date at 8:30. Okay?
You're a good man, Your Honor. Thank you.
Oh, I know that. Not everybody else knows that. I'm just kidding.
Depends on how you judge it.
Have a good day. Thank you.
Opinions vary.
Chelsea Lynn Tedora.
Have a great day.
26F, you two, 246-152B. How you doing there, young lady? Your name?
Chelsea Lunsford.
You're gonna, when you're 60, you're still gonna look like you're 32. You know that? All right, so you're gonna plead to allowing a licensed driver to drive, and they're going to dismiss the drive while license expired, right?
Yes.
That's 0 points. Is punishable by up to 500 fines, 90 days jail costs, or all those. Do you understand that? Did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights?
Yes.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and we're not gonna have a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
You still have the right to a lawyer. If you want one, I'll give you one. Do you want one?
No.
To the charge allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Were you in control of a motor vehicle on April 16 of 26, a 2013 Ford that was being operated on Freeland near Peters and Flat Rock?
Yes, I am.
And your license had been expired, correct?
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
No.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No.
Did you already pay the speeding ticket?
Yes.
I'll accept the plea to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive and dismiss the driver while license expired. Anything you'd like to tell me before I sentence you? You have a valid plate now?
I do.
All right, I'm gonna go light on you. You okay with that, or you want me to be tough?
No, it's true.
20 fines, 20 costs. I gotta charge 75 victims' rights and $50 justice assessment, though. By law, I do that. So it's 165 to 30 days, okay?
Thank you.
Can you pay that now?
Yeah, I can say that.
And I'm dismissing the drive while license expired, okay?
Thank you.
Go down to the hall, take care of that. What are you doing for a living now?
I work as a staff at consulting.
At where?
Consulting.
All right. Well, good luck to you. Wish you well. Thank you.
82378 on behalf of Mr. Green.
All I'm doing is arraigning him.
Yes, sir.
Does he seem you waive formal rating?
Yes,
Charges with possession of drug paraphernalia, $500 personal bond. You cannot leave the state. You cannot violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. No alcohol, no controlled substances, or marijuana. Okay, those are the conditions of your bond. I'm going to give you a pretrial date. If you want a court-appointed lawyer going forward, you're going to have to fill out a petition for one, okay? You're not to possess any marijuana, alcohol, or illegal controlled substances. The court date will be, this is Flat Rock. We doing the 21st on this, Heather?
Oh, no, Judge, I'll tell you about that later. It'll be May 28th at 8:45.
Oh, okay.
I
May
gave out,
20
yeah, it's a day.
Don't worry about it. May 28th at 8:45. If you want a petition, tell my court officer, he'll have you fill one out right there, and then you'll go down home and get your notice. Good luck. You have any more?
no, that's it, but Mason has one.
Francis, okay.
Bresler.
Does he want?
Yeah,
Francisco Elijah Cantu, 25F244-762A. Defendant failed to appear on the 28th. Warrant issued, bond to be forfeited.
You too.
2,500, 10%. Thank you, Ms. Patillo,
thank you, Judge.
for everything. Hey, why don't you tell them you want to sign up for more of my dockets, will you?
Finish some of those felonies. I had to back off.
I would love to have you in here another day doing dockets.
No,
Please,
I wouldn't go.
okay?
I thank
All right, thank you. Curtis William Carson Jr., 26W842383ANP. On the A file, we're going to issue a show cause for failure to appear yesterday. And on the B file, we're going to issue, a default judgment on it for failure to appear yesterday. Joseph, Ryan Montana Joseph, 26W8423738 and B. defendant failed to, and you can go right out in the hall. You'll then meet with the prosecutor, and either way, you're coming back in front of me here, okay? Good luck. Mr. Reynolds, you got to slow down, sir.
Absolutely.
If you see mine hat, please. If you see mine, you have to, my name on it next time. You just know that I'm not going to give you impeding, okay?
Okay.
All right, to the charge of impeding traffic, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
I'll accept the plea, dismiss the limited access. Fines cost $180. You can go down the hall and take care of that. You're all set. Thank you.
God.
I'm going to take that. Good morning, ma'am. You're going to plead to impeding traffic, correct? All right. To that charge, you plead responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
All right. You got a clean record. I'll accept the plea, dismiss the speed 150. You're all set. Cashier into the hall. You're right. Good luck. Give me that file, guys. Come on. I need your help today.
What we just saw is a fast-moving courtroom docket filled with suspended licenses, plea bargains, bond conditions, and repeated warnings from the judge about compliance. Some defendants walked away with fines and probation terms, while others narrowly avoided jail through negotiated pleas. The judge stayed firm on accountability, especially for repeat offenders and drug-related cases. At the end of the day, this session highlights how quickly courtroom decisions can stack up when legal history, prior offenses, and current violations collide. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.